Hi, I'm Fred. Today I'm going to tell you about 5 different ways the Bedrock Edition is better than the Java Edition for Minecraft. Now, I started back in the legacy console days, technically the PS3/Vita days, and back then, Minecraft on the PlayStation was a lot more like Java than it is like Bedrock. In fact, when Bedrock came out, I did not like it. I've got several videos talking about it and trying to figure out the differences. That being said, the PlayStation Edition was never exactly like Java, and there was always some problems trying to recreate farms. That means that I'm used to adjusting how I play the game to kind of work with what I have. So unlike a lot of videos like this, especially Java players, remember, you're in the minority, Java players, I can recognize when the versions have positives and negatives that other people kind of gloss over because they don't want to admit it to themselves, much less anyone else. I'm going to create the same world in both versions using the same seed, which now should be mostly the same on both sides. That'll help a lot. I'm not going to compare the create world functions. I'm not familiar enough with Java to really know all the things you can do here. I'm much more familiar with the Bedrock menus, so by default, those are just more familiar to me. We'll name it something innocuous, Bedrock Lands. I am going to use creative just because I don't want to waste time gathering materials, unless that comes up as things on the list. And I'm going to use a seed that I randomly selected back in the day on my PS Vita when I started playing. Fun fact on the Vita, this seed produces a world with no villagers or horses. In both cases, this is too slow for me. Let's go find a clearing somewhere where we discuss the first item on the list. The first way that Bedrock is better than Java is I can use a controller in Bedrock. All versions. If I want to use a controller in Java, apparently I can install it through Steam and then set up a controller through Steam to do it that way. But that's an extra file running on my computer. And yeah, I got a nice beefy computer now, but my old one could barely handle Java or handle Minecraft at all. So I don't want to do that. But on Bedrock, whether I'm playing on my PlayStation, slumming it by playing on an Xbox, playing on a phone, tablet, PC, I can get a controller set up and working. The underlying reason that Bedrock will win the version wars, sorry Java players, get used to it now, is because it is designed to be played on multiple devices. Okay, the more experienced Java players had to see this one coming. That's right, in Bedrock, we can bone meal sugarcane. The third way that Bedrock is better than Java is that we can insta-mine deep slate. Got a standard netherite pickaxe here. Efficiency 5, want to make it a fair test. And I'll even try to play the same way I do on Bedrock. For this one, I'll need a volunteer for the audience. The fourth way that Bedrock is better than Java version is, of course, leading boats. But especially when it comes to moving villagers, boat leads are the best. And the fifth and much more exciting reason that Bedrock is better than Java is trident killers. Java gives you a cool creeper party at least. But, yeah. And there you have it. 5 reasons Minecraft Bedrock is better than the Java version. If you're a Bedrock player and want to tell me some more ways that Bedrock is better than Java, leave a comment below. And heck, if you're a Java player who wants to disagree, go ahead and comment. Maybe you'll convince me otherwise. Thank you all for watching. I'll catch y'all later. It's a creeper party. Who could ask for more?